What if I told you that you could create cinematic AI videos like these without paying for an expensive subscription? No complicated editing software, no jumping between 5 different AI tools. And you don't need any video editing experience. You only need one website, VOAFREE.com. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it, step by step, to create a faceless cinematic video that you can post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Let's start. This is the video we're going to create. It's a short, faceless cinematic morning sequence. No actors, no camera, or using your business content. No filming equipment. We're going to describe the scene, choose the video format, generate different versions, and download the final result. Everything will be done inside VOAFREE.com. At the time of recording, you can access the generator without paying, and the platform provides text-to-video and image-to-video options. Open your browser and type voafree.com. Look for the text-to-video section. The exact menu position may change, gets updated, but you're looking for the tool that lets you generate a video from a written prompt. Click Create Video, VO Video Generator, or Text to Video, depending on what appears on your screen. This is where the full process happens. You describe your idea, the AI turns it into a video. That's the basic workflow. This box is where you tell the AI what to create. And this is the most important part. A weak prompt might be, create a cinematic morning video. That's too vague. The AI doesn't know the location, lighting, camera movement, subject, atmosphere, or what should happen. Instead, give it clear visual instructions. For our video, I'll use this prompt. You can copy this prompt exactly, or change the apartment into a cafe, an office, a hotel room, a beach, or any scene you want. Here's a simple prompt formula you can reuse. Start with the subject, then describe the action, add the location, choose the lighting, mention the camera movement, and finish with the overall style or mood.
For example, a black sports car driving through a rainy city at night, neon lights reflecting on the road, low-angle tracking shot, cinematic lighting, realistic motion, dramatic atmosphere. Or close-up of a premium perfume bottle on a dark marble table, soft smoke moving around the bottle, slow camera rotation, luxury advertising style. That second example would be useful for marketers or small business owners creating product content. Some generators on the website include a prompt enhancement option.
If you see an Enhance Prompt button, click it! This can expand a basic idea with more cinematic details, clearer composition, lighting instructions, and camera direction. But always read the Enhanced Prompt before generating. Make sure the tool didn't change your original idea.
For example, if you want a faceless video, check that the enhanced version still says no face visible. The AI should improve your idea, not replace it.
Now let's choose the video settings. First, select the available video model. The model options can change, so choose the newest VO option available on the page. Now choose the aspect ratio. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, choose 9:16 vertical. For normal YouTube videos, websites, or presentations, choose 16:9 landscape. Because we're creating a social video, I'm selecting 9:16. Reels, Shorts, TikTok equals 9:16. If there's a quality option, select the highest free quality available. Now click Generate Video. The platform will process the prompt and build the scene. Generation speed can depend on the selected model, the complexity of your prompt, and current website traffic. While it's generating, don't refresh the page. Once it finishes, your video should appear directly inside the results area. And here it is! We've created a cinematic video from one text prompt. No filming, no stock footage subscription, no editing timeline. Before downloading anything, watch the video result. Don't automatically choose the result. Look at the camera movement, check the lighting, watch the hands and objects carefully. Make sure the motion looks natural, and confirm that no unwanted faces, text, logos, or strange objects appeared.
Now you have a ready-to-use faceless cinematic clip. You can post it as a reel, short, or TikTok. You can also use this method to create product visuals, business advertisements, motivational backgrounds, cinematic B-roll, or YouTube intros. And if you want more free AI tools, practical tutorials, and step-by-step ways to create content faster, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.